Hola, hello, hello. I haven't streamed. This is completely different. This is a completely different stream setup I've got now. Um, so if things break, not my fault. Things break, I'm actually gonna blame you guys because, well, why else would they break besides the viewers? You know what I mean? It's gotta be the viewers' fault, not the streamer's fault. L? That's really mean. Why isn't my stream transitioning? Something's wrong. Why is it not transitioning? Oh, I got it. There we go. I haven't even got the engine up yet. I was too busy, like, getting myself... I started the stream, and I was like, oh, I don't have water. I need to go get water, and I was, like, rushing to do it. We can just delete this. How the fact your fam's dead? What, sorry? I should have turned down my ceiling fan because that might show up on stream. I'm back. Is everything good now? I think everything should be. I really hope the music's not too loud. I gotta close some applications. Get rid of that. All right. New stream. Can you show some door? Yeah, maybe if there's time later in the stream, but for now I'm doing this. No promises. There we go. I have no idea if this is gonna work or not. You need your dose of Gorax, you'll get it. I need to, like, open, like, Task Manager on, like, my other screen. Just so I can see things that are, like, gonna kill my CPU and memory. L Windows, agreed. I'm gonna turn on my RAM limiter. How much RAM is it using? It's using like a whole gig of RAM, damn. Let me just turn on my RAM limiter. Where is that again? Nope, that's not it. No. This one. RAM limiter. On. Lower. That is the max you can use. Also CPU limiter. I think we good. Go find your father, you'll be gone forever then, so. Alright, I think everything's okay. I have no clue what I'm doing. 2D, 3D scripting, asset library. Alright. We're just gonna do 2D scene. I'm gonna make a 2D game that I sneezed, you sneezed and cut your finger? Skill issue. I think I need to lower the bit rate. Is that good? I lowered the bit rate a bit because my stream is slowly killing itself. Are we good? Oh, oh, that's that. I was gonna say skill issue, but that just looks like it would hurt. Can I type in OBS? I couldn't do that in Streamlabs. I'm now using OBS. Can I type? Yo, I can actually type. Let's go. Alright, I have no clue what I'm doing. I don't even know how to add, like, objects. Add child mode? Well, okay. Canvas layout? No. Oh, this is probably it. Skill, probably. It doesn't have feeling now in part of my thumb. I also have no... Okay, that's great. Can't even ask chat for help. I'm literally only using Godot because I can no longer stand Unity. Just make a sprite. Let's start with a sprite. Kind of like edit the texture. Oh, can I make textures in Godot? No. New image texture. Can I... Oh, I have to actually make something. Okay, no, that's dumb as well. How do I... Sprite's better than code, good choice. I don't know how I'm doing this. I assume it'd be image texture, but then I probably have to make an image, so we're gonna do that the best way I know how. Paint. Paint is the best way I know how. I'm actually gonna turn this into a YouTube video, by the way, so if you miss anything, you can go watch it as a video later on. Let's just make it 64 by 60. Let's just... Small... guy. Alright, we'll actually pixel out this. I'll make it smaller. Let's do 16 by 16, because I really don't want to have to go into details. What are we making the sprite? Bro's drawing Doom. What should we make the sprite? Wait, actually, I know what the sprite should be. It won't be animated. Unless someone gives me a better idea in chat, this is the sprite I'll be going with. A can of Coke? I'll add Coke as a collectible. Radio door. I'm literally drawing the Dorax. Where's the magic select tool? There we go. This is so... Dorax. I'll actually give him a mouth this time. He didn't have a mouth before. Now he's got luscious lips. Am I missing anything else? Is that what he looks like? I can't even remember what he looks like. I'm looking this up on my phone. The Lorax. He's got blue eyes. He has green... I just saw the image. It showed blue eyes. What? Oh no, it is green. I'm just colorblind. Now he looks high. I'm actually gonna bring his face higher up. And when I say his face, I mean just his forehead. Tail? He doesn't have a tail. No, he doesn't have a tail. What are you on about? His mustache is bigger. So... The Dorax model. No, he doesn't. I didn't model him a tail. I would be aware if I modeled him a tail. I think I put the eye on the wrong bit. There we go. She needs his eyebrows. Derp. Yeah, no tail. Yeah, I would remember if the Dorax model had one. This is like, I'll literally open Discord and go to the stuff I'm making channel. Yeah, no, he doesn't have one. What are you on about? Dorax on coke. I need to make a transparent background. Dorax, Derpax. Yeah, this isn't the Dorax, this is the Derpax. This is beautiful. Now I want to add. Can I add like recolor? No, that's not what I want. Unless hardness very low. And here we go. Add some very basic color bits in. You should do a mod review. I should do a mod review. Oh, hey Jibby. Didn't even realize you were here. What mod should I review? Congrats on thank you for that. I was not expecting to reach 100 subs by the end of the year, to be honest. Look outside my... Oh, you're talking about Doom. I thought you were talking about me. I was like, huh? What are you using? I want a pixel art program. This is paint.net. This is... This is paint.net. It's not a pixel art program. Oh, your mod. Mod you made, yeah. He's outside my... No way. Not like I literally have a window right next to me. It's just paint.net. Like, it's not some fancy pixel art tool. Look at him. He's now got texture. No, I didn't ask Coolio for bots. I just actually have chatters. Advertise the mod for me. No. Go advertise it yourself. Look at this. Okay, now if I save this, I don't know where I'm just gonna make a folder in downloads called sprites. Actually, no, I won't. What I'll do is I will put it in documents, Godot projects, stream Wawa. And this is derpax .png. Back to Godot. Sprites. Now can I just... Adding sprite 2D. Oh, that actually worked. It just imported it. He's very small though. Now he's blurry. Can I change it to nearest neighbor? Filter, nearest... Yeah, there we go, nearest map. There we go. Blur X. Yeah, press the blur X. Make him really thin. Alright, can I attach a sprite to him? Wait, how do I actually add code? Oh, attach script. GD. I don't know how to code GD script, so I'm actually going to be pulling up documentation, by the way. Yeah, so let's just create. Alright, Huh? Okay, I haven't even got to that point. If I add HP, then I will. Alright, I need to pull up like a documentation. Godot docs. Actually, Godot input docs. Let me pull this over here so you guys can see it. Input. This page is up to date for the latest. Yeah, okay. So how do I get input? Oh, can I have examples, please? Is there like an example bit? Okay, the input, blah blah blah, boring reading. Action it'd be action press, right? No. How to add movement to the Godot. A 7-minute video. Let me pause the music so I can watch this, gang. I really hope this doesn't have like copyrighted music in it.
Well, there are some tricks that professional developers use to make their controls better. And today we are gonna see what are they and how you can do it in Godot. Now the first trick is using a capsule shape for player collision, or at least use a...
Oh wait, yeah, I don't even have collision. I should probably add collision. The collision shape 2D. There we go. How do I get out of script? Oh, here we go, 2D. Is that it here? No. Is that like a child mode, which is like a folder? Is that a thing I can get? Because I think Dirtbag is technically still. This stream is unavailable. Did my stream crash? Streamlabs still says it's fine. Sub viewport, an interaction to the game world that doesn't create a window or draw to the screen. That's not what I want. I remember I watched like one tutorial before this, and I remember seeing just like a plus. Child mode yummy? What is child? I don't know. Collision shape 2D. Only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object 2D derived node. Okay, so I gotta add a collision object. Collision. Where's collision object 2D? Oh wait, you could open the docs in here. No, let's forget collision for now. I just want to figure out how to do movement. Let's just pull this up.
shape at the foot. This little change will make your player movement a lot better. As you can see now, when I'm just couple of pixels below the platform, but because
Out
of the
to
circle collision
do.
shape, I'm still able to slide up to.
This is not what I want.
You don't want to stop the player from.
That's like, yeah, how do I create smooth plate in Godot 4. I'm on 4.2, but it's probably the same. Is that code I can just steal? Can I just steal code? Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.
Okay, so to create our player, we're going to start by making a 2D scene, and we're going to name our 2D
Mr. Jibby boy, you pro 2 years old.
and we'll just save this scene with Control S. So
I can agree he is 2 years old.
different changes here in Godot 4. I mean, obviously the very first things you see are over here. This is like folded.
I don't know if you have the audio for
More
this.
like legit, you could say, right? But to make the world, this is a very big change, which I'm about to go over. So, you know, for the traditional player, we use a kinematic body. If you look up kinematic body, there is nothing because it no longer exists. So for the player, we now need to use a character body 2D.
Character body 2D, that's what I need, not the, sorry, derpex. So what's it called? So, character body 2D. Consider adding a collision shape 2D or collision object 2D. Okay. I'm not gonna do that because the tutorial has.
It's basically the same as a kinematic
Alright,
body.
see you
Or I
then.
think it actually is the same as a kinematic body. It's just called a character body.
And a
2D.
sprite. Alright, let me chuck a sprite one as well. Let me chuck a Dorax under there. Sorry, the Durpax. Let me change his texture to not be blurry. Or what is happening in my chat?
And we have a sprite 2D, which does the same thing as it has always done in all Godots in the past. And we also have a collision shape 2D, which we're
Collision shape 2D.
gonna also need for a.
Alright, add child node. Collision shape 2D. I got an error for that earlier though. Now I have an error for it. Also, shape. The video said circle. There we go, look at that. Oh, that's what the error was. BlurX, yeah, BlurX is back. Oh, I should add a character to it, which is just
A player,
BlurX.
and as you can see in the
What engines is Godot?
As you can see with the collision shape, I noticed this change. In the old Godot, whenever you pull this, it used to expand this side and this side, but now it only expands the side that you're dragging, which is pretty.
Why are you looking at
cool. I mean,
BlurX's
Pretty
feet?
sure there was a way to do this in the old Godot, but it is cool that this is like the default movement for the box, which I like it more than the old Godot. So that's pretty cool. But for our character, we can name him our player, because this is going to be our player. And we're going to create a player script. And the first thing you notice when you create a
go back here, rename this, he said, player, and then attach a script. Yes. Oh, this is different now. Why is this different now? Can I close that one? There we go.
a player script, you see all this code, right? Under the character body 2D, you see all this code. This was never in the last one. It just had like a little ready function.
I'm actually gonna do is just
but now they have
out.
like an entire movement system, right? So they import gravity through the get settings. I think that's a new function. It may not be a new function. I think it is though. And then physics process is, you know, we've all seen this before. You know, just a basic.
I've
jump
not seen this before. I have
and
no idea
just
what
basic
any of this
movement.
is.
And this is a platformer, it looks like, because yeah, there is no up and down. So that's pretty cool. But we're gonna delete all that because we don't need it for the player that we're gonna create today. Because we're gonna be creating smooth movement. And to do the smooth movement, obviously you're gonna need some type of acceleration. So we're gonna need a max speed, and we'll set our max speed at like 400. And
all I know is
to have
apparently
you're gonna need acceleration variable.
Actually gonna move
We'll
this to
set
my
that
other
at,
monitor.
like,
You guys can't see it anymore, but you can see me, right?
1,000, you know, like 500. And then
Alright, I'll chuck the music back on. Let me put the music back on. Alright, I best be off. Alright, have fun on 2.2. Have fun. I don't want to cover chat, but I need the box. Yeah, apparently GD script is very similar to Python, but I don't know how to code Python. I assume these are like the variables. I assume constances are like variables. Oh, you're staying? Okay. Wait, no, but there's a variable now. Oh, I know how vector 2s work. I don't know what is happening in this tutorial. What is at export? What does that mean? I'm gonna have to like do so much like Googling tonight. Wait, but he just removed it. Why did he remove it? I don't have the audio on anymore, so I just have to kind of go off what I'm looking at. Function get underscore. So get underscore input. Input dot x equals integer. This was weird because the level editor had to be made first. Input dot is underscore action underscore pressed UI underscore right. Is that right? No, it's not. There's still more to go. Integer input dot is underscore action underscore pressed UI underscore left. Is that right? Is that the same thing he's got? Why is his integer red? Why is that a different color? Why is mine green and his is red? Wait, it's a colon? Oh, that's weird to me, because I'm used to semicolons. What is happening in chat? Oh, that's weird to me. I'm not used to colons. I'm used to a semicolon. Because they don't look like... Because they don't like Dorax, that's why yours is red. By the way, W thumb... I know, right? It was such a good thumbnail. It took me all of, like, 2 minutes to make. I literally made it because, like, I'm not used to YouTube streaming yet. Like, I haven't done it a bunch. And I was setting up the stream and it's like make thumbnail. I'm like, uh-oh, I didn't prepare this beforehand. And then that's what happened with the thumbnail. I have no idea what any of this code does, but I do plan on, like, later on actually, like, Googling this stuff. And, like, understanding how GDScript works. Oh wait, if you want, you can use var input underscore direction equals input dot get vector UI. Does that do all of them? So would that then get all of them? Also, I don't know whereabouts. Like, I've literally never touched GDScript. This is like, I currently have a tutorial open on my other monitor. If someone here actually knows how, what's it called? GDScript works, that would very much be appreciated. Can we make a whole week where your profile picture is Dorax? Maybe. I assume that would go... No, I need the vector too. I don't know whether... I'm just gonna follow the tutorial, but I'm gonna keep that in mind and try it either later in stream or off stream or whatever. This music slaps, by the way. Alright, let me just do what this tutorial is saying to do. UI down. That's doc1, because I can't spell, because I'm illiterate. And up. And apparently that's right, and then I need to, at the end, do return input dot norm. Oh yeah, that'll be to normalize it. I actually know what that does. Like, I know what that does. Alright, and apparently I'm getting ready to write another function player underscore movement input equals... Oh, it's not a semicolon, it's normal colon. And that's gonna be like the hardest thing to start remembering. Well, actually, oh wait, I understand what this does. So I'm assuming these are like the voids equivalent to C sharp. I'm trying to translate this to C sharp. I don't care if I'm not picking up calls on stream. Like I'm trying to, cause I've coded C sharp, and like some of this, like I don't know what a vector 2 is, cause I've coded in Unity. I know what that does, but like I assume these are the equivalent of like voids, cause like yeah, input. I'm so confused. My head hurts. But this music slaps. Delta. Oh, if statements. I know what this equals. I know what this means. Is greater than friction times delta. I forgot to put the colon. I do like that it tells me. Apparently it's still wrong. Oh wait, there's no semicolon there. There we go. Velocity minus it if it is lesser than or equal to velocity normalized. A dot normalized, not that makes sense. I was just about to say that's a bit weird to have a comma. Times friction times delta. Else velocity equals vector 2 dot 0 Freddy plays. Why is there 2 Freddys now in my chat? There's 2 Freddys in my chat. No clue what I'm doing. I think he's explaining it, but because I have the audio off, like I'm probably gonna rewatch this video so I actually understand what's happening. But just for stream's sake, I think it's funnier if I have no clue what's happening. That way if something's broken, I don't know how to fix it. Why is there so many... There's so many people here all of a sudden. What is happening? Unless it's just like... What's it called? A bot or something. I don't know. It could very well just be like a bot or something. Sorry, I had to like mute for a sec because my sister came into the room. I'm back though. Times Excel times delta velocity equals By the way, I gave you all the textures for... Oh, did you? I'll see. I might work more on the Dorax mod later in stream. Don't know though. I'd love to like actually learn Java. That way I could do the Dorax mod way better, rather than having to rely on like third-party programs to help me through stuff. It's just so much effort, and like I'm planning on learning Python soon, or better, because I know very basic. Yeah, I know Doom knows Java. I've told him if he wants to teach, like I'd happily like let him teach me if he wanted to. Move underscore and slide up here. Function underscore physics process delta layer underscore movement delta. Is this right now? Is this gonna work? There's probably like a way easier way to write this. Like there's probably a way to literally just do the entire player movement script in like 4 lines. How much longer does this tutorial have? Oh, it's pretty much done. I think the script is pretty much done. And if something doesn't work, I'm not looking back at the tutorial. I'm gonna try and brainstorm and figure it out myself. I'm surprised I'm not seeing anything here for like add on X. Still waiting on I am still waiting on. Maybe I should make Deltarune Chapter 3. That could be a fun video idea. Oh, what did he just do? I wasn't paying attention. I missed a bit in the script. What did he do? He's talking about nerd stuff. He goes up here. Wait, am I supposed to be doing... Was I supposed to be doing this in a different thing? Because he's got a thing up here. Because this is... You know what? I'm sure it's fine. Play scene. Select current. No. 2D. Save. Save scene as world. Lol. Is apparently what I called it. Oh. He's very small. He's very small. Can I make him bigger? Can I do that? It kind of works. I think it's he was going to He was gonna do 3, 4, and 5 at once, but he has recently announced that he's not doing that anymore. He's gonna do 4 and 5 at once, but he's gonna do 3 separately. He changed his mind because there was a lot of changes during development, so it pushed a lot of things back, and he didn't want to keep people waiting. So 3 is coming sooner than you think. But yeah, maybe I should make Deltarune Chapter 3 because before Toby Fox does. That might be a funny video. Maybe I'll work on that tomorrow. I want to do pixel artwork. I got my online classes for... Look at him go there. Look at him go. He's literally the Dorax. We have... Okay, chat. Just give me a second. We still haven't even decided what game we're making here. What game should we make? Let me just full screen this so I can do this. Wait, I want to know. Is it just... If I go off screen... I don't think games are supposed to be like that. I don't think he's just supposed to be able to, like, hide off screen. Toby has wrist pain. I have wrist pain. I had to get surgery for that. That's why I've been off streaming for so long. Because, like, I've pretty much just gotten back to the way where I can, like, use a computer again. Right, carpal tunnel. Which, trust me, not fun. I've got like a little bit of Lego on my desk, and I keep getting distracted by it. Like, it's just a couple bits from like an old like Starfighter I had, like a Star Wars set. I just keep playing with it because I'm a child. If I put that there, I can not do that. This doesn't work. Too much Hypixel, Aiden. Find the Dorax's friend. Is it like a quest game? Should I make it a platformer? Could maybe make it a platformer. I hope you know, like, the stream's not frozen, by the way. I just haven't touched my Dorax's journey to find pink Dorax. Yeah, stream's not frozen, by the way. I'm just not touching my monitor right now. Like, it's still here. Dorax is still hiding. Okay, the Dorax quest to find pink Dorax. So apparently, is this the screen area? Like if I do this, and then like shrink it down. You need to shrink the Dorax. There we go. Does that work better? If it's a full screen game. No OpenXR in Unity is better. Make it a VR. I'm not making it. I do have a quest. Okay? It's not mine, it's my sister's. I'd have to yoink it from her. But I'm not making a... I haven't even done that in Unity. What makes you think I can do it in Godot? By the way, I should say I'm completely abandoning Unity. I'm never using it again. It is like the literal worst game engine ever designed. I'm so sick of using it, which is why I'm on Godot now. this works. Okay, so can I make like a... Add child node. I just want like a platform. Or can I just do this actually? Can I just put some collisions around the... What do you mean? Collision shape 2D only serves to provide a collision shape to a collision object to your derived node. What node is that? I don't know. Oh, it's literally any of these. Static body 2D? Is that? This node has no shape, so it can't collide or interact with others. Consider adding a collision shape 2D. There we go. Okay. Now can I just copy this? Static body 3D or animated, then make the collision shape a child of the static. Drag and drop collision onto the static. I'm not doing 3D though, so would it be static body 2D? Because that's what I'm using now. That's what I've just discovered. I'm not. Yeah, sorry. Okay, yeah, okay. I just want to make sure I wasn't doing something wrong. Yeah, I just figured it out before I read the chat message. Okay, I'm literally just trying to make a border like around the... Can I just paste again? Oh no, that... Can I duplicate instead? Where did I duplicate it to? Here. No, that makes all of them. Make a platformer with enemies or just a fighting game quest. I mean, currently I'm thinking what I'm gonna do, right? Just as like a simple first game before I go and try and make the quest to find the pink Dorax. Is just have like a simple like game where you move around the screen and like things come in from the sides of the screens. It's because the one... Oh wait, yeah, no, you're right. No, actually, that's just me being dumb. No, you're right. Does that work now? Yeah, so now because that's a child one. Yeah, okay, yeah. Thank you. I'm just dumb. Can I, like, do the equivalent of, like, create empty? Is that, like, an equivalent I can do? Is that what node is? That's still wrong. I have no clue what I'm doing. Put those there. Yes, node can be whatever you want it. Okay, okay, yes, that's basically the equivalent of like an empty from Unity. So I'm going to create node. I'm glad that there's actually people here who know what they're doing and not just screaming at me to add the Lorax to everything I make. So now if I make another node, can I duplicate? Can I do this now? Will this work? No! What are you making? I don't exactly know, to be honest. Not fine, forget it. Static body 2D. This would have taken me way less time to just do this. Literally, that's all it took. I'm also gonna copy. I'm getting a request. Add RTX support. See, this is hard. This is what most of my chat is just. It's just. So can I now? Yeah, it's actually a border to the game. There's probably a way easier way to do it, to be honest. Like, probably just a way easier way to do it. And I slide along it too. My question is... Oh, it didn't grow. The border didn't grow when I full screened it. There's probably... Hex, if you're still here, is there a way to make it where like all the sprites grow no matter what the... like the bounding box size is? Is there a way to do that? Just make the resolution. Yeah, but how do I do that in Godot? I don't know how to do that in Godot. Cyric, if you know how to do it, please inform me. Actually, you know what? I could just Google it. Let me open Google. I just opened File Explorer. That was not what I meant to open. Alright. How to fix resolution in Godot. Scene so have you used Godot before? Do you know what you're doing? Or did you literally just look it up? Scene project settings. Where is project settings? Is it project settings? Add ChatGPT to the Lorex. Display. I could full screen it. No, I'll just give it windowed for now. Stretch canvas items? Is that it? Check the checkbox for the resizable property. Oh, resizable. There we go. No, but that would just make it so that it's stuck. Doesn't make it so it doesn't go the full screen. There's this called stretch, aspect, cape, canvas items mode. I feel like that would do it better. I hope that does it. Let me see if I have Godot install. If not, it's like literally like a 2-second install. Oh, yo, it actually kept it. It actually kept it. I don't know why there's black bars. Probably the resolution. Let me check actually. Project settings. What was the rest? That is a weird resolution. I want 1080 by 720. This is just it's just stretching the game, not actually increasing the resolution. Ah, okay. Also, why is it black borders? Okay, so how do I'm gonna figure this out. Yeah, VSync on, sure. Scale mode. Yeah, no, that's not right. Can make a custom mouse cursor. What pictures do I have on my computer? Let me just go through pictures I have on my computer real quick. This is a good one. Can I just drag and drop? No. It's in downloads. Okay, I need to know where it's in downloads. I can't exit this bit. I need to put it in that folder. So documents. Godot projects. In sprites, I guess. Yeah, sprites, there we go. That is now the new mouse cursor. Now it's not what I'm still trying to figure out how to do the display. I could Google this. Can I just full screen? Also, I think it's supposed to be 1280, not 1080. Is it 1080 or 1280? I think it's 1280. It's full screen. My mouse cursor isn't updated. I mean, there's no black bars anymore. I'm glad Alt F4 exists. I should really set up version control. Just make it a pink door export. Yeah, but that requires I do stuff, and I'm lazy. 1280, 720, windowed. Okay. Oh wait, now... Doesn't really matter how big the collision is on that side. I do want it to match up. Never mind, I can't get it to match up. That annoys me, and that will continue to annoy me. You might need to move it in code. Maybe. Well, I think... Also, the player's position should be clamped in code anyway. Hello, you join now. Hello, Rafi Chopra. Hello. It appears my thumbnail work is like so good because it gets all the viewers. Okay, there's now collision along the sides. I literally have no idea how to use GD script, by the way, so I'm literally learning live on stream. Yeah, it's nice and smooth. I watched a YouTube tutorial for this. I kind of understand what it was. Whatever is... I've been streaming for an hour, by the way, and this is all I've got. How is player movement working? Isn't it just Python? I don't know Python, that's the thing. Also, it's GD. GDScript is apparently close to Python. Please know, I do kind of understand how the YouTube tutorial works. I don't just watch tutorial to not if I learn how it works. Yeah, how is the play? Well, the player mirror, I'll pull it up for you. It's just this, which is just like, if I assume, I'm pretty sure this is just get the inputs, normalize it, which is, I know what normalizing is, that just makes it so going angle doesn't go faster. So, here's the variables. Oh wait, I'm gonna double the max speed, because I find that funny. And this is just like, if input, friction, blah blah blah. This is just, I assume friction, and then this is the, I assume that's just what it is. Or this could be the, actually, no, this is the actual moving bit. Bar questions equal true. I mean, bars are just variables. Different types of variables. Please, by the way, if you think I'm bad at game development, you're very correct. Feel free to absolutely judge anything I do, because I'm not good at it. This is just fun. I haven't even actually made any game stuff, and this is just fun. But you're not bad. I'm pretty bad at it, actually. I'm pretty trash. But that probably isn't needed. There we go. I'm actually gonna I'm gonna change this to a square, actually. Oh. But this is kinda good equals true. True. I mean, when I'm not following tutorials, which is quite often when I'm actually working in Unity, I get more done in Click Team 2.5. Oof. Yeah, when I'm coding in Unity, most of my variables just like, this does move, lol. And then it'll turn out it's not actually the movement script. I'm very professional. What if I do capsule instead? Is that better? No, I think I do just need to use the square. My mouse is so shaky because I can because this hand is, it's like I am struggling to use a mouse. You should be able to make it stop in code. I mean, probably. Actually, not probably. Definitely. Like, it shouldn't be hard to, but I don't know how to code GDScript. Oh yeah, that's way better for the collision. There we go. Okay. Now, chat. We're actually gonna figure out what about the collision things. No, the collision thing's still like it changes when I make it bigger. I think I wrote the project size again. I think I wrote it wrong. Oh, 1280. What is 720p resolution? What are the numbers for that? $1280 720. So why does it still have the black bars? Do I have VS Code? Yeah, I got Visual Studio. Right. I thought I had Visual Studio. Oh yeah, there we go. I know I'm just scaling the renderer, but it works. And if it works, it works. That's my logic. I don't care if it's literally the worst way you could possibly do it. It works. I'm gonna do full screen. Oh, there we go. Full screen gets rid of the black bars. Try sandbox soon. Sandbox. We'll look this up. Oh, that one. Wait, isn't that the isn't that the cryptocurrency one? I've heard cryptocurrency stuff about that. You can't play on a not... Yeah, well, 16:9 is the standard. So, if you don't have a 16:9 display, that sounds like a you problem. I mean, maybe I'll try the sandbox. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just trying to find a new game engine to use instead of Unity, because I'm just getting so sick of it. Which, anyone who's used Unity will tell you the exact same thing. Not if you're a CSGO player. Yeah, but I don't play CSGO. Therefore, doesn't affect me. Do you know Lua? I mean, I tried coding a Roblox game once. I looked at some tutorials. That's about as far as my Lua knowledge goes. Like, I coded Lua for like an hour. No, very, very basic, because I just tried to make some Roblox games. Unity it's been going downhill a long time. And it's not a recent thing. I mean, what other... This is all... Is GD script just... Lua? Is that what that is? What about Open... Oh, I know... No. Like, OpenGL. Look, I know, like, the coding languages I know, right? GML for Game Maker, because that was my first game engine. And, like, C#. That's it, pretty much. Everything else, pretty much nothing on. I know, like, very basic... I know Scratch. Make a Scratch game. I want to learn other coding languages, though. I want coding language suggestions, guys. That I can learn. I mean, I'm on a holiday right now, so I got plenty of time. GScript seems to be harder than JavaScript, because in Java user. Unreal... No, Unreal C++, which... Like... I can't use... can't use Unreal, because it would literally explode my computer. No Scratch. Rust? I've heard about Rust. I haven't really looked into it though. Like, I haven't really looked into Rust. I also heard of one... Not Scratch is so good! When UWPP? I've never even heard of that one. I'm gonna look that up right now. UW... That's IW. Oh, what the hell are you doing equals true? Exactly. I'm just getting distracted at this point. Where? Okay. Making game. I just want to... Okay. Who here... Okay. Skank and Reefy Chopra. I assume you guys have used... What What's it called? Godot before. Ooh, wait, was there one called Uwu++? Wait, that's what it is. Oh my goodness. I was reading it's like UWPP. It's Uwu++. I'm gonna hang myself. I'm not gonna do that, because that goes against TOS. That's literally the only reason. Okay. Anyone who has used it, please, how would I make it so that, like, spawn things off screen and have them go, like, onto screen? How do I do that? If anyone knows. And just, like, have them kind of, like, start here and just, like, beeline to the other side and then delete themselves. I just want to make a bullet hell. And I know I could do this very easily just by, like, chucking it into ChatGPT, but that's cheating, so I'm not doing that. I'm just vibing to this music now. I don't know how loud it is for you guys. I don't really know if you guys can hear it. Yeah, does anyone know how I would, like, spawn here, pick, like, a angle, and make a HB path first, then do... Well, wouldn't it be... No, I feel like it'd be better to do bullets first. Because, like, HP... Because, like, you can't really test the HP path. We use a variable which allows them to face through upper wall. Oh, yeah, I forgot because I'm dumb. I've used these. This is now going to cause a problem, isn't it? Like, these are going to cause problems. No, I'm just going to remove these. I'll figure out another way to do collisions. I'll figure out a different way to do collisions. Actually, I'm going to Google this right now. There's probably something in literally the Godot docs for it. How to prevent player going off-screen Godot. Okay, I'm opening a Reddit thread. Simplest way would be to put collision boxes / tiles around the camera bounds. Any reason that solution is unviable for your game? That's what I did. Just clamp the player and go, yeah, but how do I do that? I don't know how to do that. Like... Math. Yeah, but, math? I don't like math. That's why I actually really enjoy math. Why CoSpaces? Is that a game engine? Oh, it's a learning thing. It's a 3D simple too. Does the game know the spray is colliding with the outer barrier? Well, it did, and then I removed the outer barrier. Pretty simple too. Can you send me the project on Discord? You know what? Sure. I'm gonna send the project over on Discord. I'll put it on my Discord. We're just gonna chuck it, scene. You saved the scene. I don't even remember where I saved it to be honest. If anyone else here wants the scene, the Discord link's in the description, I think. Godot projects. Let me just zip this up. Zip. Discord. I have so many missed messages. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna throw it in general. I don't know if that works for you. I have so many messages. Does that work, Sirik? Alright, that works. I saw. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I don't get notifications for that. I used to. But I don't anymore, and I don't know why. Yeah, thank you for the sub. Alright. No, while Sirik figures things out, I'm gonna just do some graphics. 16 by 16. Alright, I'm gonna work on the bullets. I'm gonna work on the bullets so you gotta dodge. But maybe I should work on a health bar. Health bar or bullet? I'll flip a coin on it. Where's a coin? I don't have one. I guess I'm getting Google. Okay, Google, flip a coin. I hope I didn't set anyone's Googles off, by the way. Hails. Okay, I guess I'm making health bar. You're a pixel artist? Oh, hell yeah. I want to learn pixel art good. So I'm kind of working on it. Like, I've got a pixel art course that, I'm doing on Udemy. Is it Udemy or Udemy? I don't know. It's gonna be one of them. You set mine up and the guy in my house found me. Killed me. Skill issue. Should have just hidden better. Should I do 2 thick or 1 thick for the health bar? Maybe I'll make it 48 wide. I want it wider. Yeah, that works. And then white for this bar here. Yeah. Is that a good size for the health bar? And then I can just like... do that. Actually. Image 64 by 64. I'll do 64 by 32. Delete. I'm gonna make like a HP like text. Make the height shorter. Oh, actually, yeah, make it thinner. Well, yeah, because what I was thinking I was gonna do, right? This is just like a rough sketch box, and then have like the text HP above it. And so that's what I was thinking I was gonna do. Something like that. But I think I should focus on the box first. Maybe like 8 by 16. That is the wrong way. 16 by 8. That's too wide then. 32? That kind of works. I think that looks nice, right? I hope. Make the color pink to gray. Fill with color green. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 4 different versions of the sprite. Like, actually 3 different versions. No, yeah, 4 versions. Green, yellow, red, and then empty when you die. That's the plan that I'm going with. I need to get like a proper pixel art program like Ace Sprite or something. Maybe I'll get some like Ace Sprite. Just save. Health. Full. And then, how wide is it? It's 30, so if I just remove 10... I have Ace Sprite, 8 out of 10, very easy to use. Make the health bar... Make the HP text in the bar. Can animate? Can I animate? No. Not in this software. So I'm just gonna make different sprites and chuck them together. And hope for the best. So that's that, and then... Health. 2. And then remove another 10 out of it. Okay then, good luck. Ace Sprite for the win. Yeah, like I've heard really good things about it, but I've been off work, so I can't buy it, and I don't want to pirate it, because I assume it's not from a major corporation. I only commit piracy when it's like, when major corporations are involved. I mean, I don't commit piracy at all, because that would be illegal. There we go. See, that looks nice. What I should actually do, that I've just now realized... is have, like, a background to the bar. Health 1. Because you only have 1 health remaining. My phone is going off right now. And this is health dead. Now you have 10 hit points. No, I'm only having to have 3. Open. Open all of these. Right, yeah, that's not... So then Bill. I only needed to open 1 apparently. This is the different one. So this is the... You're dead? You have 1 hit point remaining, you got 2 hit point remaining, and you have full health. I think that looks good. Actually, I might change the color of green. It's not what I wanted. There we go. I think that looks nice. The game I'm working on just crashed due to the enemy speed. RIP. Alright, so now that that's there... No, but if you have more, it will feel more clean instead of just yellow, red, dead. True! But who needs clean when this is a project that I'm literally only working on for this stream? You know what I mean? I'm literally, like, gonna finish this up. And then, whatchamacallit? I'm having a stroke. The speed was 20 meters. 20 pixels. I mean, that's not too bad if the resolution's really high. Unless it's like 20 pixels per second. Not per second, like per millisecond. So I'm just... What game you working on? And what engine? Dorax. Meters per second. That's a lot. If I went 20 meters per second, I'd probably die. I think. Anyway, I need to go back to being productive. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Okay, so can I just, like... Can I just add a sprite? Just add the full health bar. It literally won't do anything for the at the current time. But it literally doesn't do anything. Maybe smaller than that. Ah, sandbox, yeah. Now I have a health bar. I think I might shrink him down just a wee bit. Apparently I have to shrink them all individually. That's kind of annoying. Maybe like that size. Why can it not go to... That's really annoying me, but oh well. I guess I'll never get it lined up. Make a new enemy type minion. Oh yeah. And press 0 to accident. Imagine like the starting like minion enemy in a game is like the speed of like, I'd say speed of light, but 20 meters per second is not the speed of light. Please make it 5 hit points instead of 3 and make this 2D hit. No. 5 would also be uneven. Okay. Trying to think how I do. I'm thinking I could probably. I'm gonna like explain this in a text document before I have a stroke trying to actually code this. So I'm thinking, right? Get like so like have an integer of like health, and like start at 3, and then you can have it like if less, you know, if hit lol int, wait, no, I'm doing this wrong, sorry. If I'm not gonna do this like actual coding. If you get hit, take 1 from health, and then like if health equals 2, then you would like use sprite, and then like you'd repeat that for all of them. Would that make sense to anyone who has used this? Would that work? Like, it's like if they get hit, then change the sprite. I've just realized I'm probably gonna have to like, instead of using a separate sprite, I'm probably have to link the. If to do it like this, I'd probably have to. Could you use a map, like a tile map? Probably. That would probably make it much easier, to be honest. But I have no clue how to... How many health... Just 3. There's only 3. It's not like a lot. Or technically 4 if you include empty. Like technically 4, but I'm just gonna say 3. There needs to be 4. For Java nerds with health equals 3. I can't code Java, so that doesn't affect me. I just realized if I was probably to do that, I'd probably have to like change it from each individual to like 4 sprites with the Dorax by image resize height and just like do 24. No, that's resize. I need canvas size. I'll do 32. I can just like yoink this fella. Not by cubic. I need nearest neighbor. When I stretch him, he looks. That. His sprite touches, yeah, bullet, yeah. Health, yeah, equal, like, take away 1 health. Like, I'd probably have to do sprites like this. I think I like this new Lorax sprite, to be honest. So bad for all good. I think I prefer this new Dorax sprite, it's funnier. Image. Canvas size. 32. He's stretched. I think I actually need to stretch him further. Yeah. Image canvas size, 32. Also, having them be 32 by 32 is probably better. I could make him wider. His feet too big. No! You know, I'm keeping him wide. I'm keeping him wide just for that comment. And I can delete Dorax. So now if I go to here... Goodbye, Derpax. Should probably move this to be in line with the... Why can I not just line it up? Why? It's just so annoying. Oh well, it's close enough. There we go. Can do that. It might be a good idea to just like import them all. And then just like turn off visibility, and like I can alternate. Oh no. What you get for bad Dorax. Dorax is amazing. I don't know what you're on about. He looks fine to me. I just do 5.6 because I prefer big numbers. I think I can line him up now. Or does he need to be 5.5? No. Oh, that worked. I just need to change it to 0. Use 5.5 now. Transform. 0, 0, 5.5. 5.5. And yep, here's map map. Already have full health. I didn't put health 1 in though. Do it like this. What you get for bad door? Why 2 green? Yeah, I didn't mean to do 2 green. It was an accident. Transform. 5.5, 5.5. I'm probably like anyone here who has used Godot. I'm probably like infuriating right now. By the time I stream next, trust me, I will like actually go and look up some tutorials on how to use Godot. Like actually learn. Yeah, so what I can do is have it like you start full, and then oh, took damage, oh, took damage, oh, boom, dead. I can do that. Like, so if get hit by bullet, lower this. If health equals whatever number it is, then turn the visibility on. Also, I made sure the hitbox doesn't cover his health bar. Okay, now that I've got that, I need to worry about the bullet spawning. I haven't even done the bullets yet. I should do that. New... Let's do 16 by 16. Bursting from anger due to your inability to code in JavaScript. I'll figure it out. Maybe change the placement of the helper? I mean, yeah. See, I live to make people suffer. That is why I live. So me knowing that you're bursting from anger makes this funnier to me. Next time I stream, I will have a... I will know what I'm doing though. I'm gonna spend like the entire next week doing nothing but Godot. I'll figure it out. I need to turn my fan on. It is so hot in this room. I'm also gonna be right back because I'm going to... Why is the health bar a separate sprite? No it's not, but it does have a separate hitbox. I will be right back. I need to go fill up my glass of water. It's like so hot in this room. Back. I got my water. What did I miss? That's dumb. Yeah, like your face laughing emoji. I didn't miss much. I've turned my fan on now. It's less hot in this room. It's still very hot. It's less hot, which is surprising because it's currently like 10 PM. Anyway, bullet texture. Should I do bullet or should I do circle? You did it? What'd you do? I forgot I actually handed you my project. Just remembered that. Alright, how hard is it to draw a circle? I've done it plenty in Minecraft. It's probably not that hard. Actually, is it better to do that? No, it's more curved with 2. What did you... I want to know what you did. What does I did it mean? I remember I have some text. Yeah, it's Dorax mod. Yeah, that'll probably be next stream. I'm probably not going to end up working on Dorax mod tonight. Actually, would it look better curved if it was that? No, I got it right the first time. You could make us. Yeah, that's. I mean, that's what I just did. Is it not? Is this? This is just a circle. It might look better with the closed edges. No. It does not. I'm trying to think about how I want to design the book. I think red, because red means danger. People associate red with danger. I sent it to you on Discord. Oh, I have a message from Sirik. Fixed movement thing. Oh, thank you. This could just be a virus for all I know. For all I could be, this could just be a virus. Where did I have it saved to again? I don't know where the file went. Oh, not I've moved it somewhere. Sirik is the kind of guy to put a Trojan. Yeah, he is. I know. I played Minecraft with him before. I know he would absolutely do that. Why is the file like so much larger now? Why is the file so much larger now? Just save that real quick. Put that in there. Okay, now extract here. What am I trying to make? Bullet hell with the Lorax. The Lorax bullet hell. Oh. The player sprite needs to be on the top left for the one I sent you to work. I'm fixing it with global coordinates. Alright, do you want to fix that and then send me another one? I'm trying to figure out how I will, what's it called? Do that while keeping my current stuff. Like, import the changes while keeping what I've got done here. Then again, this literally took me all of 4 minutes. I could very easily... Actually, can I just... duplicate? No. Can I just copy it and move it to the new file? Okay, I could probably just do that, and then copy it to the new file. It sounds insane, but really funny. I think this sounds... Oh, by the way, I should mention, I have no clue what I'm doing. I've never used this game engine before. I'm not even using Google. I'm solely relying on chat here to help me out here. If it wasn't for chat, I'd be struggling a lot more. I mean, actually, no, I probably wouldn't, because I'd use Google. I'm actually gonna look at how to spawn bullets to attack player Godot. I got this video up on my phone. Give me a sec. No, I don't care if it's time for bed. I'm not going to sleep. I'm just trying to see if I can find like a video just working. Look, that's a tutorial. That's not what I want. That's a tutorial to make the player shoot bullets. I gotta figure this out. You know, it'd be really cool if I could just use C# on this. I actually know how to use C#. Not with, like, because I assume the actual built-in stuff is different. Can I import? Is it like a default scene I can just steal and change the textures to, and then claim it was mine? Alright, see ya. Oh wait, I don't actually know what time that is, so I don't know if that's now or later. Wait, I can use C#? How? How? Whenever I was making scripts, it's a GD script was the only option. Do I need a plugin? I'm assuming I need a plugin. I want to learn shaders. It's M. Why did I just hit M on my keyboard, thinking that that's what you were saying to do. Is it Alt F4? Is that how to use C#? I could just actually, I'm just gonna Google this. How to use C# in Godot. Prerequisites, yeah, I got .NET. I got Visual Studio. Give me a recap when I text again. Alright. I sent you info in Discord. Alright, I'm looking at this info. Thank you. C# support. Okay, but how do I use C#? I don't know how to use C# in the actual editor. Whenever I try to make a program, it says that to use GD script. So I'm just gonna... I hope this works now. Okay, so something's now... Oh wait, you said it had to be top left, didn't you? You downloaded the dot... Oh, so that means... That's annoying. I just downloaded the Steam version, to be honest. Which is probably like gonna be like the worst version. Okay, next stream, whenever that... It shouldn't need to be with that version. Well, whenever next stream is, I'm gonna have the C# figured out. Now that I know I can use C#, I'm gonna do everything in my power next stream to have it figured out by then. Anyway, yeah, something's up with the collision. If you're found innocent of a terrible crime, but you and the victim know you did it, anytime they accuse you, you just say allegedly and they'll sound like they're making stuff up. True. I've not been found like I've done a terrible crime though. That's not a thing I've done. Like, this is the collision. The collision is there. So why does it stop me all the way here? I'm just gonna put it in the top corner and see if that changes it. I'm just gonna see if that fixes it. Kind of? Yeah, it fixed it a bit, and that could just be because of the hitbox, actually. So if I do this, and move the hitbox there. Hey, it works kind of now. Try to kill it. It's cause, well, I fixed it. I fixed the health bar bit. I need to move him out of it. Well, top left works. This is good enough, to be honest. It's based on the sprite's width and height, and the health is now click. Okay, yeah, well, that's fine. I figured it out. I just put the sprite to start outside of the collision. So now it stops it. Alright. Now, how to bullet hell. I'm gonna actually start with make bullet, put it in game, and just not have it do it. Like, I won't have it generate. Poor little guys, so if he dies, you should win the game. Oh, dude, look, he's trying his best. He's trying his best. There's 2 errors. I'm sure it's fine. Animation? I can animate things? Animate player. Oh, can I just animate the health to change? Add node. Animation player. How does this work? How can I do the keyframes? I hope there's a keyframe system. New animation. Lorax. Health. Oh, can I keyframe this? So, okay. How does this work? I'm gonna make this a 4-second animation. How do I? 4. No. That doesn't work. Try to drag sprites. Oh, that might. Nah. That doesn't do anything. Unless it means dragging it from here. No, that doesn't work either. Edit? No. I want it to go to here. How do I change the length? I wish I could change the length. I'm sure there's gotta be a way to change the length. Is that it? Oh yeah, that's how you change the length. Alright, so if there's 4 stages and it's for every half second, I need it to be 2. Here, how to keyframe. Oh wait, I just realized that I didn't do that. What I'm actually gonna do is if I just zero it out back to the how the rest start, and then I give that back. If I just grab the whole player. Why can I not move the whole player? That seems like an underside. I can do that. That works. I sent you the docs on sprite states. Try to drag sprite on the right side. What do you mean on the right side? So I wasn't really looking at chat for a bit because I was trying to figure something out. I think I can just keyframe it though. No. No, wait, I'll go look at that docs. I'll go pull up those docs. Scripting can be difficult when there are so many states that need to be handled. Only one script can be attached to a node at a time. Instead of creating a state machine within the player's control script, it would make development simpler if the states were separated out into different classes. Many different ways to interpret a state machine Godot. Each player will have a child node for each state, which is called utilized. Okay, here's the actual script for it. So class state, change state, and so those are all the different things. Okay, well that's that. I'll look at that a bit more later. I just want to figure out how to do this animation. I could Google this actually. Godot docs animation. Oh, yeah. No, that's not what I wanted. How to animate. This is a 30-second video. Why is there no sound?
New
Oh,
animation.
that's why.
And now, go. How to make an animation in Godot 4. Right-click on your player node and add an animation player to it. Create a new animation and set snap to 0.2. Click on your sprite node and select the first frame from the inspector menu. Click the key to add the frame to your animation. Now repeat this for all the frames in your animation. Enable looping, set your animation length, then hit play and enjoy your new animation.
That seems pretty simple. Sorry, I just find it really funny because in the tutorial it's like this really nice like looking ninja sprite and then it's just the Lorax. Right. So I can do this now. How did they do it again? I forgot already. Video, you're gonna come back and help? I'm just gonna pop this out and look at it in the actual engine.
How to make an animation in Godot 4. Right-click on your
They
player
might be
node
using a
and
texture
add
map.
an animation player to it. Create a new animation and set snap to 0.2.
I don't need to worry about snap.
Click on your sprite node and select the first frame.
In animation. That's not an option for me. Oh. Oh wait, in sprite. Oh wait, in sprite. Using a texture map. How do I do that in Godot? I've actually never used a texture map in Unity either, so... Usually I just do, like, I make 3D games with built-in text. I don't... What-oh. It looks like, oh wait, is it just... Oh wait, I think I figured it out. Wait, can I just... File new... height 32, width 128. Is it just as simple as this? Is it just this? Oh, this is gonna make it so much better. Will this also make the organization way easier as well? Dorak sprite lol. Good enough. Good though. Okay, now I'm just gonna delete these. Wait, is that gonna change up the script again? Add child node. Sprite. Oh, sorry. Sprite 2D. Or is it animated sprite 2D? I think it's just sprite 2D. Texture. Text. Now, where would texture map be? Animated texture? That's what they've got. I think they are using an animated texture, yeah. Oh, that worked. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's that. And then... no offset. How do I say which is, like, where each of them are? I don't know what I just did. Turn that off. I need to actually turn off, ordering? No, that's not it. Where is texture? There we go. Nearest Smith. That just makes it better. You just set H frames to 4. Oh, yeah. 4. Oh, there we go. It's a door rack. Coordinates of frame. Oh, that's an... wait.
Frame from the inspector menu. Click the key to add the frame to your animation.
Oh, wait, I don't need to worry about that. So frame 1. Frame 0. Add to animation. Create new track for property frame and insert key. Sure. Oh, I didn't even have a track. I'm dumb. Use keyframe. And then, okay, then I can next frame. Add. Next frame. Add. And add. So now, yeah, there we go. There we go. I went to clap and then that really hurt my hand. Oh, that's actually really good. I don't even need to keyframe the X chord. Like, I didn't even have to do that. I just... I'm a professional now. No one is better at game development than me. If you think you're better, you're wrong. That's a lie. Most people are still better than me. But I can hope at least, right? Right? I just took my Lego Starfighter a little bit apart, and now I have an extra piece, and I don't know where it came from. What? There is no hope, only sorrow. I can add animated. Yeah, I mean, I can do 3D animation. That's something I can do. I can do 3D animation in, like, what's it called? 3ds Max. And I can also do it in Blender as well. Can you make a rare enemy that's just skin? I'm not adding Skibbity Toilet. Are you like 4? He called me 2 years. I know, right? Anyway, look at this. We have our frames. I don't know if I'll be able to finish this project tonight. Just due to the fact that, what's it called? It's actually getting very late. But I'll stream again definitely next week. I'm not ending it right now. I'll probably end it in half an hour from now. See if oh wait, actually yeah, I'll try that. I'm just saying like gonna end stream within the next half an hour and I'll go to sleep. How to set frame of animation in Godot using code. Everything about animations in Godot. It's 4 minutes. Let's watch it, guys.
So you want to make some animations for your game, but don't feel like wasting your time on stupid bullshit and all the tutorials are too long? You're in luck, because I'll do anything for clout. Even figure out how something as boring and tedious as animation works. Get me views. Anyway, there's 2 ways to go about 2D animation in Godot. Frame by frame and rigged animation. Having frames means you have each image drawn by hand and you arrange them into a sequence. In order to best fit them into Godot, you gotta have them aligned into a sprite sheet like this. You have to make sure they align though, and keep in mind that the spacing between sprites will also become part of the frames. Alright, so we figured that one. Now make your character, rigid body or kinematic body, whatever works best for your game, create a sprite and put the sprite sheet as a texture. Then, in animation, pick the amount of sprites you have in the sheet horizontally and vertically. I have 2 rows and a max of 8 images in each, so I'm gonna put in 8 and 2. Now all of your images are put into frame. Now, time to create the animations. Add an animation player node. Create a new animation. I'm going to have 2 animations with the sprites I've set up. The first one I'm going to make is this blink animation.
If you need it louder, by the way, let me know.
Here, then add a track, pick our sprite, and choose frame. Now right click on the track here to create keys. You have to insert a key for each frame. Pick the frame and drag them, which will determine how long each frame will stay. Finally, this here determines how long each animation runs. There we go. Our animation is done. I'll create the other one now, the same way basically. Now on to rigs. I'm going to have a sheet with each body part separate.
This is not what I was wanting. Was a forum which has my question. Animation player node setting animation to specific frame via code. Basically, I have a health bar that's animated using. Look at this, guys. Found this in documentation. Void seek float second. Float equals update equals. Seek the animation to the seconds point in time. In seconds. If update is true, the animation updates to. Otherwise, it updates at process time. Events between the current frame and second is skipped. Animation player seek true. So can I just copy that? Guys, copy this and copy this. Is that what I can do? I'm going to move this to my second monitor. Just so I can reference it. Why is there an error? Adding collision. Does it really need the collision box, or is that just like a recommended? How is it not responding? It's like literally like one script. I guess it needs the collision. I'm just gonna chuck that there and I'm gonna make it a circle. Transform 0, 0. This this needs to be a 0, 0 as well. There. Does that, I hope that works. Okay, circle shape 2D. Wait, where? Does it have to be a square? Is that what your code does, Sirik? Is there a health system? I'm working on... Oh, not actually coded, but I just want to see if I can manually set them. Like, have it to, like, if I hit a button, then... He's very small. Why is he so small, son? Like, I don't... Like, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up so that, But, brain hurt. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, so that I just want to, like, hit a button and have the frame change, and then I can worry about health another time. Maybe next stream I should just go back to Unity. Maybe I should use, or maybe I could use Game Maker Studio. I'm very good at Game Maker Studio. Maybe that should be my new game engine of choice. Look at the Lorax go. Look at him go. Anyway, I need to make him big. Sprite. Scale. 5.5, 5.5. Oh. Does that work? Honestly, I think he'd be better off making a game in Click Team Fusion. I'm not making a game in Click Team Fusion. I forgot I shrunk him, didn't I? I made him smaller. Scale. Let's try it 4. Is that a good size? That's a good size. So I'm not making a game in Click Team. Now he goes off the screen again. You know what? He can't be stopped going off the screen. So you know what? This is fine. This is good enough for me. Like, you can see him at all times. He doesn't, like, go missing. Anyway, let me try this thing. I'm gonna put it underneath everything. Can I just copy exactly what this isn't gonna work. Sig is a built-in function for the animation player. You don't need to make it yourself. So do I not need to write that bit there? Can I just dollar animation layer dot seek 0.5 true and then I assume colon at the end? No, error unexpected dollar. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want you to do it for me. I want to figure it out. I like no processing there. I'm on a Reddit forum now. I'm read it now. You need to get the animation player instance in the player. What? Isn't it here though? Isn't that this? Sometimes people find the greatest things is when they do something they're not familiar with. You do not get it. Also try running that code in the function. Oh yeah, that might help. Also, that is a player movement function. Might help to actually do it in a function. That is like the equivalent. I'm pretty sure process is the equivalent of like what's called like void update. What's the equivalent of void start so I can do that? What's the equivalent of void start? Is it just one called start? No. Oh wait. I don't think that'll do the start function though. Yeah, there we go. See, it works. Okay, let's do return null. Just so it doesn't keep giving me errors. There we go. Yeah, just so it doesn't keep giving me errors, I'll do a return null. I'm assuming, like, it does start do the start thing? Or does it have to be a different? No, I'll just throw it into here. Maybe I'll just throw it in here with the if. Copy that. I do need to edit it a bit because it's not 0.5, it's... There we go. Does that work? No, it crashed. Oh wait, because there's a null. That'll be why. I forgot that I literally put the null in just to... Nope. Attempt to call function seek and base null instance on a null instance. Huh? What did I do? Also, thank you for writing all the stuff your code does. Very much. Okay, so what does that mean? I'd have to call function seek and base null instance on a null instance. Do my chat freeze? I think my chat froze. Nope. Oh, it's not. Okay. Okay, why does that not work then? the heck, hell? It's not working. Animation player. Not player. Oh. The guy had a typo in his thing that I copy and pasted. Is it gonna crash now? It doesn't crash now. I type in the... Oh. No, it crashed again. Oh, it's... Oh. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna go back and read it again. I might have missed something. See the animation to the second point in time. If update is true, the animation updates too. Otherwise, if updates events become thing. Oh, I forgot this bit of the code. I also forgot that. The first A. It does. You're right. Is it gonna crash now? It's not crashing anymore. Yippee. Alright. Can I just throw this bit in here? Or is that gonna cause errors? That causes errors. Alright, so now we've got the animation player seek. So it's found this. Yeah. I assume this. I got rid of it. I'm assuming that I'm trying to figure this out. So I'm assuming this is the frame, or like the seconds into it, right? And then this is the bool that they talk about in here. Like, like if it's true, it'll update. That is the second. Yeah, I thought so. So why is it not update? Because 0.5 is, I believe, yeah, 0.5 is there, which is yellow, but it doesn't update to yellow. And I put it in a function that is definitely working. Maybe let me try and move it somewhere else in the code. Is it just start? Is that what the equivalent is? I don't know why I have two tab bits. Try put 50 point. Try that. Also, I don't know if start will work. No. Let me just remove start. I don't think that works. Let me put it back into the friction bit. That broke a lot of things. That still doesn't work. Underscore ready. Oh, it might be. That would make sense because it looks like the Godot stuff starts with an underscore. Function underscore red. There we go. Does that work when it's ready? No, it's still not changing it to yellow. I'm definitely gonna work on a video tomorrow. I've decided I'm no longer turning this into a video. This was a disaster. But I am gonna make another video. I know what video I'm gonna make. I wanna make the Delta in Chapter 3 because Toby Fox is too afraid to. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't work. I'm not ending stream until I get this to work. Let me just try 50 again. Let me try, because it might not work since it's snapped to. Maybe I should put it in process, because that's funnier. You know what? That way it'll happen every time there's a frame update. We might be here a while. Like, whatever comes first, 11:30 or this. Okay, so it's definitely just the script bit. It's definitely this, because now it should be happening every single frame. But it is not. No, I'm trying to... Okay, actually, you know what? Animation player dot seek Godot. Let's just look at the docs. Play the animation first. I sent you the link on Discord. Oh, that's literally the one right... Wait, that's literally this right here. I was just about to click it before you sent it. Other than its beginning. Seek function does not start the animation where I need it to. The animation does not play afterwards. Any ideas on alternative? I'm trying to play an animation on an animation player from the point other than its very beginning. Going to Godot docs or post I found Godot forums. Let's see. It starts an animation. Animation didn't play at all. No, looking at it. No. Okay. This is useful. Thank you, Godot ask. Thank you. 3 years ago. I was about to figure this out myself, Sarek. Because that's literally this right here. There's the exact same. I was about to click. Okay. I'm just gonna bonk. Just Control C. Control V. Let's just remove process delta. What is the animation called again? Lorax health. I don't know. Honestly, I'm just gonna remove it. I don't think I do, considering the other one didn't have it. On start. Let's go. It plays the animation now. We have health animation. Now, if I change this to false, does it just stop at... No, it keeps playing. Okay. Well, that is an issue. It just keeps playing. It doesn't just stop, which is an issue. But we've done what I said to do. So I'm going to keep streaming till 11:30. I'll end it at 11:30. But look at this. Phenomenal. I'm learning. I am learning. Oh, wait, yeah, just run... Yeah, wait, yeah, that works. Oh. Expected 0 arguments. It doesn't set it to... Maybe I do need the sprite bit. Oh, wait, sorry. Dot sprite slash... Is that what it was? Do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna... A. A what? True. Is that what it was? We should play it dot seek the frame and then true. So why am I getting an error now? Maybe I can't have true then. What? Attempt call function player base noise. What? It worked just a moment. Okay, I guess I can't have sprite then. I guess sprite is the issue. That's probably for an older. Yeah, that's what I just did before you sent it. Okay, so that works there. Can I now false to pause it? Oh. Expected closing. Oh, I guess I can't have false. And what a right. Okay, I don't know. Can I just... Is that... Any errors? Expected closing after call arguments. What? Where is it expecting a close bit? Nowhere. 0. Oh, I forgot the comma. That's what it is. I forgot. That's half coding. Oh, I forgot this one little thing. It still plays it. Oh, 15 minutes to figure this out. First we couldn't get it to play, and now we can't get it to stop. Now let me try the pause. It expects 0 arguments. Oh, it ran, but it just didn't open. Okay, let me try 5.1. No. What do you mean I'm missing the comma again? The comma's still there. The comma is there. I'm gonna turn my microphone. There we go. My microphone's better. I should probably put A on the thing there. Okay, I could just animation player Godot docs. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. I probably would have found that in. I feel like. Sorry, I'd like to ask, is that literally in this page here? It's not pause. It's stop. Keep. So I was about to find it too. What do you mean error? I didn't see your original message. What do you mean error? Simon is not allowed inside expression. Animation player dot stop. Okay, I'm gonna look this up. Actually, Google. Stop. Maybe just have it as true. Yeah. Actually, it says bool there. I might need to add a. I do true. No, I'm just gonna do true, nothing else. That seems to have worked. Unless I need this true. Oh, look what we got. I needed where false was to be true. We did it. Alright. So, basically, every time that the character gets hit, I just need to... Like, I need to check for the health value. I'm actually gonna... add a health, variable. Just for next time. Right? So I'll have the health. So if the health equals a value, like, so check. Yeah, I should really look into the state stuff. What I'm probably gonna do, right? I think this maid stream when? Never. You know, I'll do a maid stream when I hit 100,000 subs, which will never happen. But that is a promise I'll make. I'll make it right here, right now. If I hit 100,000, I'll do a maid stream. It'll never happen. But I will. But yeah, clip it. You can't clip it on YouTube. Welcome back. You made it back like 10 minutes before the stream end. There's been a lot of updates. I understand how the animation player works now, and I understand more things. I actually, with the help of Cyric, we were going through docs and several Reddit threads. That's in the actually the X-Epicness, the X-Epic dev quote book is. That's an extensive book. Wait, you can clip on YouTube now? That's awesome. How, actually? How would that work? I didn't even clip shorts, but can you clip streams now? Okay. Anyway, I'll show you, I'll give you a quick recap of what we've done. So, we have animations now. For each health state. It's managed in a... You can also clip I thought it was only shorts. Yeah, okay, that's good to know now. Anyway, yeah, so we got the different health states. Right, very useful. Currently we haven't actually got the health in. I'm gonna do that next stream. I don't think in streaming I'm gonna work in Godot, but in my videos I'm gonna use Unity and or Game Maker for the time being. Don't watch my videos, by the way, they're pretty crap. Or watch them if you want. There is one on the channel, which is like update on a project I'm working on. That project is never being updated on. I think when I buy the upgrade to FL Studio, I'm gonna do streams like this, but with music. Honestly, yeah. I have FL Studio. I've been thinking about doing music streams for a while, but I can't be bothered. Music takes too long to do. Yeah, like most of my videos are pretty crap. I am currently working on one though that is going to be absolutely fire. So keep an eye out for that, I guess. It should be out sometime next month. So keep an eye for that. Subscribe if you haven't. Anyway, yeah, back to the recap. We got the health. I've got scripting. Currently we've just got it in this, like, the equivalent. I'm gonna call it void start. I'm gonna always call it void start. Which basically just sets it to a value. Like, I can set it to, this would be red, I believe. Nope. Did it break? Oh wait, no, I'm just dumb. No, that's red. Can I put it on GitHub? Honestly, yeah. I'll try this on GitHub. Falling James got nothing on this empty. Exactly. Look, Falling James is gonna be. This is gonna be way better than Falling James. Lorax Survive, the new game. Lorax Survive coming 2024. It's gonna be game of the year. I'm telling you, it's gonna be game of the year. Yeah, there's that. I've got the health variable, which I think you were here for. But yeah, basically, I think in next stream, I'm gonna continue this. Next stream will probably be. So what is the bullet mechanic? Okay, I'll explain what I'm gonna do for bullet mechanic. I'll learn it, and then next stream I'll actually code it up. So basically, what's gonna happen is, bullets are gonna spawn like off screen, and then like shoot randomly. Like, they'll pick a random direction, like, towards the center of the box. It'll pick a random one, and then go... It'll happen from all four sides, by the way. And it'll shoot through. Right? And once it reaches the other side of the box, it'll get deleted. I'll probably just have, like, some boxes or something over here. Like, if bullet hits this box, delete itself. But yeah, so it'll do that, and if it hits the player, destroy the bullet, obviously, so that it doesn't take a stupid amount of damage. And then, like, it's gonna, hopefully, I don't know how I'll do this, have it, like, as time progresses, it'll advance. I can play guitar, that's a thing I can do. I actually have my guitar next to me, it's just out of tune. I would show it, but I don't have my webcam set up. Maybe next stream I'll set up my webcam or something. Play some guitar on stream. Guitar can't read my sheet music. I can read sheet music for guitar. Anyway. But yeah, so that's basically what we did in that hour. I understand things now though, which is the main part. I'm slowly learning how this how this software works. Maybe eventually I'll be able to use this more than I use Unity, because I hate Unity. Also, it's such a large install. Like, Unity is actually a large install. Maybe I'll do some testing on my own for C#, because I do just prefer C#, more comfortable with it. But who knows? I mean, I'm a loser computer science kid, so... I'm not even computer science yet, I'm still applying for uni, for comsci. Which will be fun. Anyway, me too, uni crashes. Real! Anyway, I'm actually gonna end stream now, because it's getting very late. It's 11:30 PM, and I have to be up tomorrow morning. Yes, I have things I need to be doing. I understand things after hours. He finally made some top-down movement. I understand. Also, half that was written by Sirik. Can you send in the Discord? I'm just gonna chuck it on GitHub, and then... Actually, I'll just check. Yeah, I'll just check in the Discord. I'll just put a zip file in the Discord. For anyone to download. I will make a GitHub eventually, but I'm lazy right now and it's very late, so putting on the Discord is just easier right now. I'll do it eventually, but for now to go on the Discord. Can I export it? And just make the exe here. Alright, anyway, yeah, I will put it on Discord. Anyone who has the Godot engine could do whatever they want with it. I don't know, put screenshots in general, I don't care. Thank you for coming to the stream. If you haven't, I think I just unplugged my second monitor on accident. What do you mean unsupported? What did I do? Oh, there we... Okay. I don't know what I did for a second, but I unplugged my monitor temporarily. What was I saying? I will turn this into falling Dorax. Actually, it's 2 O's in Dorax, not 1. That's Dorax, not Dorax. Anyway, ending stream now. If you haven't already, subscribe. I make videos rarely, but I do make videos. I stream regularly. Well, I will be streaming. I had to pause on stream for a while because I got carpal tunnel and had to get surgery. But Unity crashes. Honestly, I'm surprised Godot has been running so... I'm streaming with Godot, and my stream is running amazingly. Which I'm shocked about, because if I ever tried to stream with Unity, my stream would just crash. So would Unity. So would my entire computer. Anyway, ciao, subscribe if you haven't. I've said it like 4 times. You better. I have a gun. I don't actually. I live in Australia, and those are illegal. Amazingly is a bit generous on 720p. Look, my videos are 1080p. So, that's all that matters. Alright, see you Freddy, see you Sirik, bye Jibby, bye Refi. I don't think anyone else is here. If you're just lurking, 10 error messages pop up, real. If you're just lurking, hello as well. Ciao. Goodbye. There's a Discord in the description, whatever. I'm just stalling for time because I want it to get to 11:30 before I end stream. The moment my computer clock hits 11:30, I'm clicking this end stream button. How much longer? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's still like 30 seconds. How's everyone doing on this fine 30 seconds? Everyone doing good? There's an A in there. That's what I forgot. Good. Yeah, he's doing good. Yeah, Yeah. Zoo. You. Monkey. Bad. Game over. Oh, it's 11:30. You will not be able to